Oh, can't talk. So, no matter what workout you're doing, if you're not going breathless, your body's not gonna change. If you're not, there's nothing wrong and no harm in pushing to breathless. That is going to change your body. Guys, you have to get uncomfortable or you will not make changes. If you think it's too hard, then you're gonna stay comfortable. You're never gonna change. That's with everything in life. If it starts getting uncomfortable and you quit, you're never going to see change. Say you're trying to get out of debt. When it starts getting uncomfortable and you can't spend money and you can't go out to eat and you can't get things for the kids and you can't get things for yourself, when it starts to get uncomfortable, that's when the blessings happen. When you do it anyways. When you're working out and you don't feel like you can do it. You look at something and you're like, I can't do that. I don't want to do that. You do it anyways. That's where the blessings happen. In your marriage, when things get yucky, when things aren't fun, when you need to talk about stuff, when you need to do things you don't want to do, that's when the blessings happen. Guys, our life is not meant to be comfortable. If you're comfortable, something's lacking. We got to push beyond. We got to do things we don't want to do. We got to let God step in with us. So guess what? I didn't want to do this today. But I asked God, please, I made a commitment. I need to do this. Keep me healthy. You got me a good night's sleep. Now I got an obligation and I just need to do the best I can do. That's what we got to do, guys. So if you're using excuses, if you're saying you can't, quit. Push past your comfort zone and you will see change.